Where does big profit come from? That's a question that I asked myself for many years, even while I worked in corporate before I came into product development, consulting, and all of the money that you're going to make in your life, all of the profit, all of the big profit that you're going to make in your life is going to come from only 5 places. The first of them is what I call the PAE, or the pay. It's called product above expectation. If you aren't building products that are above the expectation of your target market, then you're not going to get big profit, that's for sure. So you're looking at people who are going to pay a lot of money for a product but not too many people, and then you're looking at a lot of people who are going to buy a product that doesn't cost so much. Okay, so that makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah. So people will have to pay that. They will need a product above expectation to pay you big profit. You get that? Pay to pay. Okay, the second place or second dimension that big profit will come from is process optimization and efficiency. Now, a lot of big companies that you look at and admire, big organizations, they get this very well. They practice process optimization and efficiency to a high degree. As an entrepreneur, you need to look at how you can bring process optimization and efficiency into your business using all the tools that are available to you online and offline. This is very, very important. The third dimension, networks, access to people that matter. I call them gatekeepers. There are people in your industry, there are people within the niche that you're pursuing in business who have that authority, they have that influence, they have that goodwill. All they have to do is say a word in your direction and it opens you like that to dimensions of profit that you never even thought you would be able to attain. And you know that you don't really, in that sense, deserve that level of profit, but because you have that network access, it can accelerate your growth into the place where you are seen as worthy to play with the big boys. Okay. Dimension number 4 is sales. If you are not selling, you're not in business. I wonder why people break their heads over how many likes, comments, shares, and all that nonsense that they get on social media, on the internet, in the name of doing business. Listen, I prefer 50 purchases over 500 likes. I'll take 500 purchases, okay, of maybe one small product, over 5,000 or 50,000 likes, comments, and shares that happen on my post. I'm going for the sales. I'm not going for how many people like, comment, or share. All of that stuff is driven by algorithms that someone sits behind a computer to determine. You cannot live your life, your destiny, and your business to metrics. Dimension number 5 will be investment. Now I need you to pay attention. Listen to me. A lot of entrepreneurs do not think about investments. They do some business, they get some profit. The next thing they want to do, if the profit's big enough, they want to buy a Benz. They want to move to another side of town where they are seen as rolling with the big boys. Now, you are being foolish if you're doing that. Look at investments, both personal and corporate. So you make some money from your business, you should have a percentage that you set aside that you're going to invest in other areas of business to bring profit. Okay, so you make some profit and you put a percentage of that into something that has a high degree of possibility so that you can make that, reap that profit and plow it back as recapitalization into your business. You do that on a personal level for your own personal finances. You do that on a corporate level for your business. There is space at the top, but you need to think in terms of investments. The next time you make some good substantial profit in your business, think about, where should I invest a percentage of this money for return so that I can plow back into my business, right? Think about that. And I'll see you in lesson 8. We're still doing OpenProfit.